Hello everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see what is the VLOOKUP function in in Excel. So VLOOKUP function is used to find any value from table. So I will show you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. So it is a very important function as interview perspective. So please go through it once and hands-on practice on it. So it will familiar to you. So I have one table here, name and roll numbers. So the name is as you can see and roll number this is. So I want to find Sam roll number from this table. So I will use here VLOOKUP function. So the formula is equal to VLOOKUP. Okay. And then what is our lookup value? What we want to find? So we want to find Sam, comma, from which table we want to find? From this table, right? Then comma, then column index number. Then what is our column index number? So column index number is 2 because we want to find from second column. So column number is 2, comma, and if you take true, so it will show approximate match from approximate value. But if you select false, so it will show you exact value from the table, and we will complete the table and press enter. So as you can see, we have find Sam roll number is 2. So as you can see here is Sam roll number is 2. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please do like and subscribe, and thank you.